Top 6 Best 360 Camera 2023. Shoot panoramas, 360 videos, selfies, and more. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing well. So in today's video, we'll discuss the top 6 Best 360 Camera 2023. Shoot panoramas, 360 video, selfies, and more. All the product links are given in the description video below. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. QooCam 8K 360. The QooCam 8K is the best 360 camera right now for image quality. A massive, by 360 standards, 1/1.7 inch CMOS sensor, 10-bit color, and of course that 8K resolution ensures that. Regarding the quality of its photos and videos, the QooCam 8K is peerless in the 360-degree market. Photos have plenty of color and contrast like nothing we've seen before from a camera like this. The ability to spit out a great-looking image from a 360-degree video is welcome. In contrast, the video's detail, sharpness, and smoothness, whether in 360 degrees or cut down to widescreen, make the QooCam 8K a giant leap forward for creative filmmakers. It has an audible fan, however. The battery life isn't great, and it's not waterproof without housing. If this doesn't affect you, it's an excellent camera to buy. Trisio Lite2. Designed for businesses that need to produce a lot of static virtual tours, the Trizio Light 2 is a straightforward device that's incredibly easy to use. Its 360-degree photos are excellent and easily good enough for use on virtual tours and for showing off event spaces and hotel rooms online. The 8K boast is less impressive than its ability with HDR, which helps create vibrant and dynamic spherical images that excel in high-contrast environments and low light. It's no 360-degree action camera, with VR-style video off the table. Patience is required, too, since it takes the Trizio Light 2 30 seconds to light meter and takes a single 360-degree photo. However, used slowly and carefully, the Trizio Light 2 is one of the most limited yet capable 360-degree cameras that do one thing very well. Ricoh Theta Z1. The first Ricoh Theta Z1 was announced and released in 2019 when a 360-degree camera was still at least something of a novelty. Since then, not much has changed, except for a slightly revamped version, launched more recently, boasting 51 gigabytes of storage rather than the original's limiting 19 gigabytes. It's worth double-checking which one you're getting before clicking the buy button. The Ricoh Theta Z1 produces impressively high-quality 360-degree video, as you'd hope at this price. It's not as rough and ready as other cameras on the list, without waterproofing or a protective shell. Still, it's got a smooth design that's comfortable to hold and intuitive to use. Its sensors are slightly larger than are usually found on cameras of this type, which improves dynamic range and arguably makes up for the fact that some other cameras edge it out in raw resolution terms. It's expensive, but this is definitely an option worth considering. Insta360 1RS. Unique in the market, the 1RS is designed to appeal to anyone who would typically consider a GoPro, yet yearns to at least have a go at 360 degrees. The fact that its 360-degree lens is unchanged from the first-gen version does indicate that the format has settled in as an excellent option for occasional use, but one that lacks much more development, which chimes with us. That lens allows many creative options, and we love how the Insta360 app provides templates to create natty 360-degree sequences from clips, but most users will rely on its 4K boost lens. This is more capable than the first-gen version, but we're not convinced how valuable the 6K widescreen feature is. Much more helpful is the ability to record in great-looking 4K, which was always pin-sharp and ultra-smooth. Insta360 One X2. The Insta360 One X2 is ideal for those who want to create dynamic, poppy 360-degree video content in depth. You can dive right in and add special effects like stop motion and clone trail, the latter of which allows you to spawn copies of yourself as you move through the frame. Gimmicky? Sure, but a lot of fun too, and 360 imaging is all about fun. As we noted in our full review, there are many clever designs to like in the Insta360 One X2. It puts its 360-degree lenses to loads of creative purposes, while also giving you the option to shoot normal widescreen video for those times when you need a straightforward video solution. It does take a bit of work to get your head around everything the One X can do, and its memory-hungry app requires a high-end phone that can keep up. But this is a camera where the more you put in, the more you'll get out. GoPro Max. This 360-degree action camera hits our #1 spot for a number of different reasons. Granted, the image and video quality of the GoPro Max are good enough that they could get it here by themselves. Still, the GoPro Max also offers a swath of intuitive features that mean anyone gets loads out of it, even if they have little interest in 360-degree imaging. The Smooth app lets you seamlessly edit clips from 360-degree footage, meaning you can get great images no matter where the camera is pointed and swap effortlessly between them. As we noted in our full review, the Max also has impressive specs elsewhere. With a 6-mic setup and its highly credible vlogging camera, the 1600 mAh battery means you'll have enough charge for a day's shooting. It's a reasonably pricey option that lacks a dedicated 4K video capture that you'll find on some rivals, like those from Insta360, which you'll meet shortly. However, the Max has that GoPro polish that makes it the best 360-degree camera experience you can buy now. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.